Creative fence decorating ideas to enhance your outdoor space. Having a well-decorated fence can greatly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your yard. With a touch of creativity and some DIY projects, you can transform your fence into a stunning focal point. In this article, we will provide you with professional ideas on how to spruce up your yard with fence decor and outdoor aesthetics, giving your space a delightful makeover. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Fence painting. One popular way to beautify your fence is through a fresh coat of paint. Choose colors that complement your outdoor theme and blend well with the surrounding elements. From vibrant hues to soothing pastels, the right paint can instantly uplift the overall look of your yard. Don't be afraid to experiment with various patterns or even creating a mural on your fence. This will add a unique touch to your outdoor space and showcase your artistic side. Fence artwork. Get creative by incorporating artwork into your fence design. Hang outdoor-friendly sculptures or metal art pieces that reflect your personal style. You can also install decorative panels or trellises that allow climbing plants to grow, bringing a natural and artistic feel to your yard. Additionally, consider adding a personalized touch by commissioning local artists to create custom-made artwork specifically designed for your fence. Fence planters. Enhance the beauty of your fence by adding planters filled with colorful flowers or lush greenery. This not only adds vibrancy to your yard but also creates a refreshing atmosphere. Utilize a variety of planter types such as hanging baskets, vertical wall planters, or even repurposed containers. Choose plants that thrive in your local climate and consider mixing different heights and textures to create a visually appealing display. Yard decorations. Extend the charm of your fence decor by incorporating other outdoor decorations. Hang string lights along the fence to create a cozy ambience during evenings. Install decorative outdoor mirrors or wall-mounted planters to add depth and create an illusion of a larger space. Additionally, consider placing outdoor furniture or stylish seating areas near the fence, allowing you to enjoy your yard while admiring the beautiful decor. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. By implementing these creative ideas, you can give your yard a remarkable makeover through fence decor and outdoor aesthetics. Whether it's painting, artwork, planters, or additional yard decorations, there are endless opportunities to personalize your fence and create a visually stunning outdoor space. Get inspired, roll up your sleeves, and embark on a journey of transforming your yard into a beautiful haven.